In this video, I'm going to talk you through how to add the Sproket My Account web part to a page. So I've got a page here. I'm going to come up to the right hand side and click on Edit. I'm then going to hover over the section I want to add the web part to and click on Add. I'm going to search for Sproket, and this shows me a list of all the Sproket web parts that are available. And I can see in here, there's the My Account. I could have also searched for My Account and that would show it up as well. So the My Account web part has three components to it. We've got this top My Account section, we've got followed sites, and we have recent documents. The first component is bringing through details of the current person who's logged in. So it's going to bring through my profile photo, my account name, a bit about myself, and the ability to link off to view my full Microsoft Delve profile. The next thing we have is followed sites. So in SharePoint, anytime we're in a site, we have this following option, this star located on the top right hand side of the header. When I click on following, that's then going to bring up all the following sites that I have within my SharePoint solution. Clicking on that will then just take me directly into that site to continue viewing and accessing information there. The My Recent Documents is going to bring through all the recent documents that you have been working on. There's some settings in here that I can come in to edit the web part. A couple of things, the ability to show the title. So at the moment, you'll notice I don't have a title displaying, so I can turn that on, and that gives me the ability to have a title at the top of this. It might be my items, or it could be all about me. You can change the title there by highlighting the text and replacing it. You've then got show in panel. So it groups that title and the web part together in a panel. You get this very faint grey border around and a solid white background. That's best noticeable when you edit a section and change the background color. And you can see in here, I've now got that white background all grouped within a panel there. Some other settings within here, we have the ability to show how many items you're wanting to bring through. So how many followed sites and how many recent documents are you going to display? By default, it's 5, but you might want to come in here and highlight that and change that to 10, and it will then bring through 10 sites that you are following instead of 5. This data source in here for recent documents is just where we're pulling the information from. So by default, it's using what's called the Graph API, and that is super quick. So as soon as you work on a document, that will then come up in your recent. So nice and fast to bring me accurate information. There is the option to use, if you're not using the Graph API, you can use SharePoint, and that's going to use a SharePoint search. And that can take up to 15 minutes to perform a search call to display the relevant recent documents. So that's a bit about the My Account web part.